Hello my friend, today I'm going to talk about what is the best habit that you can apply to take your fluency level at the next level. So I'm gonna talk about that habit and you have to watch this video till the very end and you are gonna get so much benefit in this video. So as I told you, you have to watch the video till the very end and I'm gonna tell you that one habit that has the ability, that has the power to take your fluency level from here to here. So watch the video till the very end and you know my friend what is that habit, and without that if you are learning English, then you will in the middle of your journey of speaking English you will often feel bored. You would not like to do all the things always. So due to that reason you will feel like, oh my god, it's not happening, good into my life, and how will I be able to finish it? Will I be able to learn English, or will I be able to speak English or not? So these sort of questions will always come into your mind. So due to that reason you have to keep aside those sort of mindset and you have to just put down those things and you have to just accept the challenge. And if there is something which is not happening good in your life, you have to just pick another thing which you think is good for me. So you have to do all those things. And that one habit about which I would like to tell you is that you have to listen music on a daily basis, and that's the power of listening music. Because when you are reading or when you are trying to speak English and when you are not feeling good, because of course it is time-taking process, then it will often happen that you will not feel good when you are trying to speak or when you try to learn English, because it will take a long time. It is gonna very difficult. You need to put a lot of effort for that. So listening music is gonna help you a lot, and if you are listening music, then you are getting so many sort of benefit, and you are enjoying that process as well, and you are taking your fluency level at the next level, and you are making your pronunciation right. So you are getting so many sort of benefits. That's why you don't have to leave. You have to apply this habit once in a day, once or twice in a day, and you are gonna see the magic of this habit. So this is a very kind of powerful which I applied when I was learning English, and that's the same thing which you can do to take your fluency or to take your English speaking journey from here to here. And that's the thing which you got to do, and I hope you got my point. And please like this video, subscribe my channel, and let me know what is your opinion in the comment below. And I'm gonna tell you about any other important thing about speaking English. And till then,